Guys, in front of me is REALME Narzo 80 Lite, and let me show you how to add photo to contact. So at first, open your phone gallery. Now pick the contact that you want to customize, that you want to personalize. Select Edit, tap on Add Picture, and now you can either open your camera and grab a photo straight away. You can choose something from gallery, from Google Photos. You can create monogram or set some illustration, however you prefer. But I'll go with my gallery and downloaded photos. Now you can customize it however you like. Tap on Choose and mark Save. And that's it. From now on, this photo is assigned to particular contact. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.